Introducing a revolution in mobile charging. A new generation of SuperTank, the advanced high-power portable charger from Zendure. This is SuperTank Pro, the ultimate power station for all your work and entertainment devices. With its high-powered 100-watt USB-C port, SuperTank Pro reimagines your charging experience. SuperTank Pro can charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro and a second laptop at the same time. In fact, you can charge up to 4 devices at once. SuperTank Pro delivers up to 138 watts of combined power, so no device is left behind. SuperTank Pro is your premium outdoor companion. With 26,800 milliamp of battery capacity, you can charge your phone up to 7 times worry-free. With pass-through charging, you can use solar panels to charge SuperTank Pro, while using SuperTank Pro to charge your devices. Day or night, SuperTank Pro continuously charges your creativity. The firmware can be updated for compatibility with next-gen devices. SuperTank Pro is made of an aluminum alloy which protects the components inside to maximize charging performance. Advanced Samsung battery technology ensures peak efficiency, and the multi-layered PCB design minimizes the size of SuperTank Pro with no wasted space. SuperTank Pro uses dual NTC thermistors to monitor the operating temperature as part of a 9-layer protection system. SuperTank Pro is the first portable battery that features an advanced TI battery fuel gauge, allowing for adaptive charging and power cell balance. As a result, the OLED screen can accurately display charging input and output status. SuperTank Pro features 4 USB-C ports. 2 are capable of delivering up to 100 watts of power, while the other 2 can deliver up to 18 watts. The internal logic is designed to distribute power as needed to a variety of devices, from low-power wearables like earbuds and smartwatches, to larger products like a robotic arm. High-speed input means you can charge SuperTank Pro in just 1 hour and 45 minutes, using a high-power portable charger like SuperPort S4. SuperPort S4 uses the latest GaN technology, so it's the perfect compact companion to SuperTank Pro. You can even recharge your SuperTank Pro in a Tesla for maximum on-the-go charging convenience. Work anywhere with SuperTank Pro, the worry-free, pocket-sized power station. Get charged. Get going. SuperTank Pro from Zendure. The future has arrived. Introducing Nubia, the world's first smartwatch with a flexible display. Powerful, functional, and customizable, Nubia is matching your modern lifestyle, giving you a cool and stylish look for different scenarios. The ultra-long curved display wraps around your wrist seamlessly, making it ergonomic and comfortable to wear, while enhancing your visual experience. So you can enjoy a better overview of all your information, allowing you more interactions and less scrolling. You can easily switch between themes for the perfect fit of any situation. And with our innovative app, you can even create your own styles from any pictures or graphics. Now you can track your health data 24/7. Easily check your heart rate, steps, distance, calorie intake, or sleep cycles. Plan your workouts, set up goals, and control your achievements. The watch is designed extremely user-friendly. No need to operate complicated menus. Simply check your information at a glance. Nubia also assists you in your personal life or at work and helps to boost your efficiency. You can stay connected through the app, receive notifications, or simply answer calls through Bluetooth. And that's not all. The watch includes a lot of additional features, such as screen wake on wrist raise, a compass, and a customizable marquee mode. Straps will be available in different materials and sizes. It's our vision to bring a revolutionary product to the market that elevates the way we live. Nubia is innovative, versatile, and powerful. The perfect fit for your wrist. So don't wait for the future and get your Nubia watch now.